Hey guys, today we are going to cook some keto mozzarella stuffed meatballs. If you want to see step by step how we do it, just keep watching. So to start with, I'm going to take about 1.5 pounds of hamburger meat. I did use 88% lean here, but fattier would be better. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to that, a liberal amount of black pepper, and about a tablespoon of basil. I'm measuring here, but I usually just wing it. And on top of that, we're gonna just put about 2 tablespoons of water, spray a pan with baking spray, and now the yucky part. We're gonna mix this. You could do this with a wooden spoon, but I find doing it with my hands just gets everything combined a lot better, even though it is very gross and I have to really scrub my hands afterwards. Once you have all the ingredients mixed, you're going to begin to pat it out into little balls, almost like if you were making hamburger patties. And I'm just going to take that and flatten it and grab a piece of mozzarella. I do have fresh mozzarella here that we had in the fridge, but you can use just cheese sticks cut into sections, and I think that they actually work better and taste better. Now I'm going to just pull the edges of the meat around the cheese and make sure to seal the seams, and just place it in the baking dish. And I'm going to continue that process, and you're just going to repeat this process over and over until you have all of your meatballs made. The amount that you get will vary on the size of your mozzarella, the size that you prefer to make your meatballs, etc. And once you have them all made, you're going to pop them in the oven at 350. Because of the size of my meatballs and the size of the mozzarella, I'm actually going to cook them for 45 minutes. Again, this will vary. After they are done, this is what they look like, guys. Nice, ooey, gooey meatballs. Look at the mozzarella oozing out of them. It is messy looking, but I think it just makes it look even more delicious. And when you cut into the meatball, it is an explosion of cheese. It just gushes out. Look at it. It is just gushing out. Oh, I love melted mozzarella. If you guys love melted mozzarella too and you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. Bye.